Welcome to this Squegg tutorial. In this video, we'll show you what's inside each box and how to get started with Squegg. To open the package, first remove the protective wrapping. Lift up the lid, and there it is, your very own Squegg. Also available in coral, mint, coral, mint. You get the idea. Take the Squegg out, remove its support, and you'll find the charging cable and the phone holder on the bottom of the box. This is how to charge your device. Squegg has a charging port that is tightly sealed by its silicone coating. To access it, place the charging jack inside the small rubber circle and push. Insert the other end into your laptop or into a 5-volt power adapter. Now it's time to download the app. Simply search for Squegg in the App Store or in the Google Play Store. Setting up an account will enable you to track your progress, to save it in the cloud, and to transfer it easily if you're changing devices. Just follow the on-screen instructions and log in. You have the option to create a brand new Squegg account using your email or to sign up with Facebook. To start using your Squegg, you'll need to pair it to your smartphone. First, enable Bluetooth from your phone's settings. Then, squeeze for 3 seconds. A successful pairing will be confirmed with a short vibration of the Squegg. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to measure your strength, and then start using the app. Enjoy! This is the phone holder. Notice the locking grooves in the track. You will use them soon. First up, peel the plastic cover off the sticker. You are now holding a sticker that can be attached to the back of your smartphone. Hold it with the text on the bottom and prepare to attach it. Make sure that the back of your phone is free of dust, then press the holder in place. Now, push or pull the colored part of the holder until it locks in place comfortably and adjust if needed. You'll find that the phone becomes more comfortable to hold when you exercise, and when you're playing games in landscape mode, you can use it as a stand to prop up your phone. Enjoy and good luck!